Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neurots Bangalore. So, are you someone who's currently living in Bangalore or did you just move here? If you are, then this video is going to be very helpful to you. I'm going to quickly share the skincare tips that you have to follow. Considering the unpredictable weather of the Bangalore, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's sunny, dry or humid, and sometimes it's all in a day. I'm going to keep the video very simple so that it's easily understood. So I'm going to tell you about the cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, and the night care routine as well. Coming to the cleansing, you can use a non-foaming face wash or something which is gentler because the weather here is very dry and humid. It is also chilly, which will make your skin very dry. So you can use something like Cetaphil non-foaming face wash. And coming to the hydration, moisturizer, you should not skip the moisturizer. You can even use like a gel based moisturizer, but you have to use it so that it's non-comedogenic. And do not ever skip sunscreen. Please use the sunscreen and reuse if needed. And after that, hydration from within includes your taking your omega and drinking lots of water so that your hydration levels are maintained. And if you're 28 or above, you can start considering to use the retinol like alternate days, 0.05%, and start with 0.05%, and you can start with twice a week, and always use sunscreen on the next day. And if you find this video useful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and thank you.